Let's get to organizing. We have a lot to do. It's gotten not that organized. We're gonna be organizing it today with some nice boxes that I have. The bins I'm talking about are these bins. If it'll come out. Yeah, so bins like this. Big and nice. And then we have our bottles down there. We kind of have a system, but you know, like straws here and boots here and knickknacks there. Like, she needs some help. I have some more stuff there. Guys, I realized these are like the slider thingy. So you put the bin on there and you can slide it out. The straws don't fit, guys. Okay, so change of plans. We're not gonna put the straws in there because they don't fit. Do a speed up for the cleaning. Speed up. I cleared the stuff out. Straws on here. Okay, pretty nice. This is the area around me right now. So I'm gonna transfer all these into here. Yay! This is looking like so cute. Okay. Hey guys, doesn't this look nice? So put it in here. You can take her out like so. Now that's what I call organized. A couple of these bottle boots. The packaging is so cute though. I'm thinking we could just put them in the back here. These ones though, these ones. I'm not really sure how to organize them besides just putting them on the top like that. We actually have more bottle boots, so I'm just gonna take them off the bottles. Stuff them in the back because I feel like it would just be better. I feel like this is cute. I'm just gonna leave her like decorated. Okay, it's looking so snazzy. Like this was before and this is after. Right, all right, so now let's just keep going. These are the bottle pouches. We're just gonna leave them there. Just gonna leave those there. And then these are just unopened straw toppers. So this stack is looking nice. I cleared the bottle space. Let's put all the bottles in there. And then the mini Stanley. Wow. We also have this big tray of pom-poms that was from our pop-up. And it looks so good. Fits perfectly. Oh, okay, this is nice. This is nice. I realized we might need some more room. I'm not sure how. Oh, I need to figure out how to sort this. Okay, so I figured out. So these two bins, this is for the bottle boots. This is for, I'm thinking, so it was just there for now. But here we have these miscellaneous items slash like shoe charms, bag charms, you know, just like the that we aren't using as much. This is like a bunch of like random like photo stuff, molds, like ice molds for drinks. I don't know, just random stuff here. And then we have all of our bottles here. If we need more space for bottles, I may just take this out and then like, I don't know, put this somewhere else. But I'm sorting these pouches, put them here like so. But those boats in the back right here like so. Okay. Now I am sorting all like these little kind of like putting them in the bags and then put them into the bins, because I realized we don't have that much space for all these bins. Now we have all these pom-poms though, so I have to figure that out. But yeah, I put the charm bundles in here. Isn't this so cute? We have like our own CharCharms charm. So this bag is like our filming bag, like just the stuff we bring outside on the go. There's this like thingy that can like, put different containers, like stack them. I'm just gonna do this and then push this part out, if that makes sense. So all these stickers, I think I will just put it like right here. Yeah, on the side. New spring launch stickers, so I'm gonna put them on the top here, which is like the bin that we will use the most. All right, okay, so this is all pretty organized. Our bottles, boots, straws, this part comes out like so. It's a little finicky, but yep, these are miscellaneous. Promoting this bundle. It's so pretty. Look at the little bear. Random charms, straw toppers. This is from the pop-up. Pom-poms from the pop-up. Bottle boots, bottle pouches, other straw toppers. And yeah, okay. It's looking so much cuter. I hope it stays this organized. We'll see. This works really well. See you in the next video.